This video, I'm going to show you how to make money online fast as soon as today. And the best part about it, it's all 100% free. And I'm going to get you started on that right now. Alrighty guys, welcome back to this video. Like I said a moment ago, I'm going to show you how to make money online fast as soon as starting today, and it's all 100% free. I'm Kevin Later, and if this is your first time to my videos or to my channel, and you have not yet subscribed yet, or you've been here and haven't subscribed, reach down there below and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to click the bell so you get notified when we upload new videos, okay? Alright, and what we do here, if you're new to my videos on this channel, we do affiliate marketing videos, anything to do with making money online videos to help you out, how-to videos, and once in a while we throw in a motivational video for you too as well. Okay? Alright, well, I'm anxious to get into this here today and show you how to do this. What we're going to do is we're going to come over here to a site that everybody's familiar with. It's called Fiverr.com. Everybody knows about Fiverr pretty much, right? If you don't, it's a simple site where you can offer services of your choice in all kinds of categories and make money doing it. Alright, so for today's example, we're going to do translation, document translation. If you look up here in the search engine, you see where I've typed in translate documents, and it brings up a lot of people here that are doing this. And what they do is you can just translate any document. It can be text, doc, it can be PDF, any document into a different language. And there's many different languages. And if you'll notice, you see some people here that are doing sort of specialized or niched down to certain languages, such as this person here says they'll translate legal documents in 24 hours to Dutch, translate any document from Japanese to English or whatever, from German to English, and so on and so forth. So what you want to do to take action on this, you want to come over here to Fiverr. You're going to click on Become a Seller up here, and click here where it says Become a Seller, and then just sign up either with your Facebook account or with your Google account, or you can just create your local account right here on Fiverr, and that'll get you started. And you're going to set up a gig on this, on Fiverr. You'll set up a translation gig like you see these people have done here, and then you'll be translating documents that your customers give you into whatever language that they want you to put that in, and this can be done for free in a matter of seconds. So what would you do now? A lot of people might be thinking too, well, Kevin, it looks like there's a lot of people doing this on this site. Yeah, there's about 1,328 people, as you see right here, that are doing this type of work. So you may be saying, well, how do I get my gig ranked up so that I can get customers quick? Well, the way that you would do that, when you start your gig in translation, you would come, for example, pick a person like this that's done this, that's got a high amount of people or traffic, if you want to say, that reviews. This guy's got, like, for example, right here, 351 reviews and a 5-star rating, and he starts his gig at $10 a pop. So you see he's rated, at this point, he's right up in here. So the way you would help your gig out to get ranked up high on Fiverr as quick as possible, and also on Google, right? This is also going to rank you on Google, because Fiverr itself is highly ranked in Google. There's a lot of traffic on this site. Now, so what you would do, you can take any one of these you want, doesn't matter, and you're going to click on it, and you see it opens his gig up here, and then what you'll do is scroll clear to the bottom of someone else's gig like this, whatever one you choose, and scroll clear to the bottom past the comments, and you see down here where it says related tags, right? You're going to use the same tags that the person, the site that, or the gig that you clicked on, you're going to use the same tags that they're using for your gig, right? These tags obviously worked for this person. Why wouldn't they work for you, right? So you'll use these tags and attach them to your gig, and that will help your gig rank up faster on Fiverr. Okay? Alright, so once you get your gig set up on Fiverr, excuse me, and your customer gives you a document saying they want it translated into, let's say they want it translated from English into Portuguese or something like that. It can be any, it's all kind. What you're going to do is bring that document over here to a site right here called onlinedoctranslator.com. You see that right up here in the address bar? www.onlinedoctranslator.com. Alright? And you open up this site. This is how quick this can be done. It's very easy and doesn't cost anything. This is all free. And you can come here to this site. They translate all kinds of documents into different languages and different types of documents to Word documents and all kinds of different things on this site. And they support, here's all the different documents that they support, which you see are all the mainstream documents here, files that they support. And they have over 104 languages supported. Folks, that's just about every language on the planet right there. Alright, so you bring your document that your customer gives you over here to this website, right? Now, we're going to do, I opened up I created a little quick document here to give a little test on this to show you how it works. And I just typed some words in a notepad on document here, and it says, let's test the translator. I'm just typing some words here to give to the translator to see how fast it will do it in whatever language I want, right? Alright, so what you do is you have your document from your customer, you come here, you click on Translate Now, and it opens this up and it asks you to upload the file, which is the file or the document that your customer gave you, right? So you click, and you already have it stored on your hard drive of your computer, and then you click on Upload the file. And now I'm going to take the file that I just showed you, and I've got it right here under Translator is the name of it, since I just quickly made it for our example here. Click on that, and you see it uploads it into here. And now it's asking me right here, I'm going to translate it from English to whatever language. So like I said, let's say if we pick Portuguese or something like that. Yeah, right here, Portuguese. So let's pick, we're going to translate it from English to Portuguese, and then you just simply click on Translate, and it does the translation, and it should it puts you a link right here. It says download your translated document. Just that quick. You see now there's only 28 words there in that, but it should be pretty quick, even if it's just if it's a large document. It doesn't matter how big it is. All right, so then you click on download your translated document, and you see up here at the right it downloads it. So let's take a look at it now. And so I just clicked on show it in the folder, and then I click on the document, and it opens it up, and you can see that it's translated it from English into Portuguese. So let me see if I can get it so where they're both up here and you can see this. So there you go. Now you can see, well, it's not doing it right here. Give me just a moment here. Anyways, you can see it right there. So we translated it, these words, from English into Portuguese right up here, right? Alright, so it's that simple, guys. You'll just, after you translate it into the language that your customer asks to be translated into, you just simply take that file and give it back to your customer, and you get paid. It's just that simple and that quick. Can be done in a matter of minutes, and you can make money starting as quick as today. Alrighty, guys, well, that's what I had for you today. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up down there. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the bell. And don't forget also to check my #1 recommended affiliate marketing business down there. Click where it says mentorwithkev.com and check that out and see the bonuses that I'm giving away with you in that too when you check out the business. Alright, guys, I'll let you go with that. And I'll see you again here in a couple of days on the next exciting video. Take care. Have an awesome day today. Bye-bye now.